Okay, everybody, this is what our palette looks like. We're going to come up here and just relax and do a little, I don't know what to do first because this is a really lovable color right here. It's not even a color. It's more like I shouldn't have done that, but I can't help it. I just wanted to do that, so I'm going to do it. Um, that's going to require a lot more development too, but I just wanted to do it. I felt like it was needed to do that, so that kind of was interesting. I didn't know if it would work. I didn't even think it would, but I kind of did it, and it kind of, for now, it worked. It's going to require, as I say, more development. And here, beginning to look more like a pelican. We may do some more on that. We may let that develop into something besides an eagle. I haven't just, I don't, I'm not yet for certain on that. Of course, we know that pelicans are associated with the color pink, or flamingo rather. But anyway, I digress. All right, that's enough for do work on that for now. It's tempting to just keep on with something when you don't, when you know you shouldn't, because it will possibly cause a problem in the development of an image. So, that was bold, but let's just let that stand for now, and let's do something here. Okay, everything stands. At this point in time, we're going to do more here. That'll probably be the next area of development. April 26, 2025. To be continued.